In today's video, you will learn the difference between olive oil and avocado oil. Do you know the difference between them? Olive oil is considered the golden standard of cooking fats, both by its superior flavor and its health benefits. You surely have seen olive oil in many recipes, and for a good reason. It is subtle but still has some flavor, and it is good for your heart and health. So, when avocado oil became a thing, we got curious about it, and it is not just because we love avocado toast. So when it comes to avocado oil versus olive oil, is one healthier or more flavorful than the other? Here is what we found out. Avocado oil is made from the fruit of the avocado tree. You can buy it refined or unrefined. The unrefined version is cold pressed, which preserves both the natural color and flavor of the avocado. The refined version of avocado oil is bleached and deodorized, which results in a less flavorful product. Many studies prove that avocado oil offers many health benefits, including reduced LDL levels, the bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. Versatile, this oil has many uses for culinary and skin care. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Olive oil is made from pressed olives. There are many versions, including pure olive oil, extra virgin, or virgin. Virgin and extra virgin olive oil are extracted by cold press. Any olive oil labeled as pure contains a mixture of cold-pressed olives and refined oil extracted by chemicals or heat. It is easy to add olive oil to your diet since it is frequently used as a culinary and immersion oil. Like avocado oil, olive oil is praised for its health benefits, including a reduced risk of certain cancers and lower cholesterol levels and blood sugar levels. Isn't it amazing? So, the only real and obvious difference between olive and avocado oils is that they are made from different fruits, and avocado oil is slightly greener than its olive counterpart. But which one is better, olive or avocado? Both are sources of healthy fats and antioxidants. They favor heart health thanks to their oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid omega-9. Also, both promote skin health and help heal wounds. So whichever you choose, both avocado oil and olive oil can be healthy additions to your diet when used in moderation. Now tell us, do you use these oils? Which one is your favorite? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.